Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get max volume on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're playing a Nintendo Switch 2 and you're finding that the volume isn't loud enough. How do you actually go ahead and get max volume? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and click on this button here on the upper left hand corner of your Nintendo Switch 2. So notice how when you click on it, the system speakers meter starts to increase. So if you keep pressing it, it is going to go to max volume. So as you can hear it, if we start up Mario Kart World, it is now going to play at max volume on your Nintendo Switch 2. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get max volume on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. And speaking of, I do think the volume on the Nintendo Switch 2 is a lot better than the Nintendo Switch 1. So do keep that in mind when it comes to various volume levels. But I'll see you guys all in the next one.